Introduce reviews or features highlight before select PUSOKEI Car Camera, 1080p Full HD DVR-camera-cam. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you choose PUSOKEI Car Camera. Gravity sensor. Dashcam has a built-in gravity sensor, which is sensitive to touch and collision, and auto-locks important pictures at important moments, leaving real and comprehensive video for intimate protection. Automatic loop recording. Adopt exclusive high frame no second missing technology to ensure seamless connection during repeated recording, to ensure important evidence. SOS lock key. DVR camera. During the recording process, manually press the menu key to lock and keep the current recording in an emergency to prevent it from being overwritten by a loop. Display backlight. In recording mode, or in standby mode, short press the on and off key to turn on and off the display backlight. Blue glass lens. High temperature resistance, anti-aging, high light transmittance. Motion detection. Driving recorder supports when the standby state is stationary. If there is a target moving in front, it will automatically record all its movement process. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all.